Little Women by Greta Gerwig. Little Women follows the lives of the four March sisters, Jo, Meg, Beth, and Amy, as they navigate the challenges of growing up and finding their places in the world. The story is primarily centered around their close-knit family, with the absence of their father who is away fighting in the war. Each sister is a distinct in their aspirations. Jo is a headstrong and dreams of being a writer. Meg seeks love and societal acceptance. Beth is the gentle and selfless, while Amy desires to be an artist with a refined social standing. As they mature, they face love, loss, and personal growth, ultimately learning about sacrifice, ambition, and the power of sisterhood. The film weaves together the trials and triumphs of their lives, culminating in a deeper understanding of themselves and the world around them. Women are depicted with complexity, strength, and vulnerability. Each sister represents different facets of womanhood, challenging the restrictive gender norms of their time. Jo, the protagonist, is firstly independent and refuses to conform to the expectation placed on women. She is passionate about her career and is determined to make a name for herself. Meg, on the other hand, represents the more traditional women of her time, valuing love, family, and societal approval. Amy is portrayed as an ambitious young woman determined to rise above her station, and Beth, though quieter and more modest, embodies the selfishness and nurturing qualities often expected of women. Through their varying journeys, the film shows the diverse ways women can navigate the challenges of the world while still holding on to their unique values. The turning point in the film for women's empowerment comes when Jo decides to take control of her own destiny, rejecting societal norms that confine women to prescribed rules. Her refusal to marry Laurie, despite the deep affection, is a powerful statement of self-empowerment. Jo chooses to pursue her writing career and is finally recognized for her talent, thus achieving a sense of independence and personal fulfillment. In a world that often discourages women from having careers, Jo's determination to carve out her own path was a bold declaration of female empowerment. Are the values and morals of the movie still applicable today? Yes, the values and morals of Little Women resonate deeply even in today's world. The movie challenges the conventional rules assigned to women, advocating for personal autonomy, the pursuit of one's dreams, and the importance of mutual respect in relationships. Jo's refusal to conform the traditional rules of wife and mother, her decision to follow her passion for writing, and her determination to be true to herself are still highly relevant today. The film reminds us that a woman's value isn't defined by her relationships or societal expectations, but by her individuality and her pursuit of her personal goals. The women face in the film, The Little Women, face numerous challenges, both personal and societal. They live in a time when women had limited rights and opportunities. Jo, for instance, had to fight to be taken seriously as a writer in a world dominated by men. Meg struggled with the pressure to marry well, as her social standing was tied to the men she would marry. Beth, though content in her quiet life, had to deal with her illness and the sacrifices required by her nurturing nature. Amy faced the challenge of balancing her ambition with the societal expectation that women should primarily be concerned with marriage and family. At every turn, the March sisters had to push back against these restrictive norms to carve out their own identities and futures. Jo March, the main character, She represents the struggle against traditional gender roles and expectations. She is fiercely independent, creative, and unafraid to speak her mind. Her character highlights the frustration of women who wanted more than what society offered them, whether it was professional success, personal autonomy, or the ability to chart their own paths. Jo's journey is one of self-discovery and defiance, and she becomes a symbol of female empowerment, showing that a woman's aspiration should not be limited by her gender. The film promotes several important impacts, including the recognition of women as individuals with their own desires and ambitions. Jo's success as a writer and her determination to pursue a non-traditional path promote the idea that women can and should aspire to careers and personal fulfillment beyond the role society expects them to play. It also stresses the value of sisterhood and familiar bonds as sources of strength and support. The March Sisters' journey encourages women to believe in their own worth and to embrace the diversity paths they could take in life. One of the most empowering scenes occurs when Jo receives a letter from a publisher offering to buy her novel. This moment signifies not just Jo's professional success, but also the recognition of a woman in a field that was typically reserved for men. Another powerful scene is when Jo rejects Laurie's marriage proposal, choosing instead to remain true to herself and her dreams. This moment serves as a reminder that women have the right to define their own lives, pursue their dreams, and reject societal pressures that don't serve them. In Little Women, women's positions in social institutions, such as marriage, family, and education, are critical to their individual journeys. Marriage is viewed both as a societal expectation and potential source of fulfillment. Meg, for example, sees marriage as a path to happiness and stability. Jo, however, sees it as something that could hinder her dreams. The family is depicted as a supportive institution where women, even in times of hardship, take on nurturing roles as seen with Beth's selfishness. Education is another key social institution with Jo striving to be recognized as an intellectual equal to men. The varied perspective on this institution reflect the ways in which women of that time were both constrained and empowered by societal expectations.